Plastics shape the world. We shape plastic extrusion. At BAOD Extrusion, expertise is not just a skill, it's our commitment. From screw geometry to die head structure and smart controls, we embed precision, efficiency, and reliability into every process. With 25 years of experience, over 20 patents, and a team of 22 dedicated engineers, Profession is our consistent answer to the evolving needs of the industry. We don't just make machines, we design complete production solutions. From project planning and equipment customization to process tuning and long-term support, everything we do is tailored to your needs. Real value lies in stable performance and continuous output. Our precision tube extrusion lines are capable of handling ultra-thin, multi-layer, and high-temperature materials. They are widely used in automotive and medical applications across more than 30 countries. Sanoh, Hutchinson, Teklas, CHINAUST, these global leaders choose us not just for our machines, but for our attention to detail. At BAOD Extrusion, every machine is rigorously tested and calibrated, featuring closed-loop dimension control, error-proof scanning, data tracking, and predictive alerts, ensuring stable, uninterrupted, high-quality output. At BAOD Extrusion, we believe plastic extrusion is not just a process, it's a path of continuous innovation. This belief drives us to explore, evolve, and deliver greater value to every client we serve. BAOD Extrusion, where technology ensures reliability, craftsmanship sets the standard, and service drives the future. We look forward to working with you to build a brighter future for plastic extrusion.